Attempt to.
Isn't that funny how you still feel like your students?
Yeah, at all times.
I'm gonna bring it to the students. Like, come on, let's bring it together. Stop that.
I feel like you find your own style and how you approach kids. Like going into different classrooms, you'll notice teachers have like different, like suits or whatever kind of your personality. I guess you can tell teachers' personalities.
All right, that's it. So,
That's lines.
anyone wants to read the first question?
Sure. Does air exert a force? Explain.
So, what do you think?
Does air resistance?
Air resistance.
I don't know because you can't feel air. But then maybe you kind of, there's wind. So what do you say wind is? I don't know.
I said, yes, air is like wind and it blows. It blows something to
Yeah, that's a good point.
We'll answer the first question.
You said no because, what you said?
I said you can't feel it, but when I was saying that, I then thought about wind, and you can feel wind. But
Yeah.
I didn't write that down. And you said wind. Because wind can like.
Yeah, that's true. And blow.
So now I don't know.
So that's a good thinking. Anybody else?
I say yes because it has volume and depending on what the sea level.
Okay. There's a tempo. All right. Let's read the next one.
Tell how you have experienced air pressure. Airplanes, the pressure goes up.
That's good.
I put a tire pressure. My tire didn't have a lot of pressure in it. And I put a basketball. Sometimes they get flat, so I have to pump them up.
So,
I said something about the airplane too. They have like elevator. So like when you going up a really big hill and you're traveling, sometimes my ears do something funny. And I have to chew gum or yawn. Differences in pressure is what allows you to
Maybe biology.
bio.
that's a good answer. Since you answered that one, read the lesson.
With the car fan that you see in class, draw the forces acting on the car fan and what forces when it's moving and not moving. Okay, so I put when it's not moving, there's a weight force going down and one force going up. And then it's moving like that.
Put no forces
Go for
when
it.
it's not moving.
So there's nothing that keeps it on the ground. There's no
It just stays.
just stays there. So what about space? In space, outer space.
What about it?
Things float around in outer space, right?
Okay.
There is no gravity.
Oh, I've heard that before. Gravity.
So gravity keeps.
So gravity is a force.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
There's also gravity. There's also the force of gravity, and there's also the force, it's also the pressure from air as well. Because the pressure from air is going in all directions, but they cancel each other out. They're all equal, so it allows it to kind of stay stationary.
Were you gonna talk about this today?
Huh?
Were you gonna talk about this thing, the air pressure that you're talking about?
Yes.
We're gonna, okay.
Real air pressure. This is just the beginning.
I feel better now.
Okay. So. That's it.
Do we wanna do,
About the moving one?
do we do the moving one?
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I thought 10 minutes. Okay, never mind.
You have
Let's go.
20 seconds left.
For the movie one, I put like one arrow going up under the car, one arrow going down on the car, and then I made like one arrow pointing to the tires from friction, and then I made another arrow like, I didn't know which way to point it for the air coming from the thing.
Which direction was the car going?
The car was going that way, so I figured the air was going this way to make it push that way. So I made the air arrow go away from the car.
So it's forces that's acting on.
I think it's more forces acting on the car.
So what would the direction of the force of the air from the fan go? If it's, in which direction?
I think it'll be going that way. I think the arrow will be pointing away, like just the back of the car. I think the arrow should be pointing that way because the air is going out that way.
But what is the force of the car moving? Which direction is
Oh,
the
it's a
force
motor
pushing?
too, right? Yeah, that one.
So which direction is the force pushing the car?
Forward.
Okay.
I don't know. When I feel the fan, the air goes like, I guess it depends. I didn't get to feel the car, so I don't know what's out
So the air, check it.
Sure.
Say? Okay, go back, okay. So the air of the fan is pushing, let me show. That's why I wish I had more of these so you could actually do it.
We could take turns.
We can have one.
Yeah, one at once. Oh, y'all want to take turns?
So when I turn the fan on, it's gonna move. So that's what I thought. I feel the air pushing my hand. I feel the air going this way. That's why I made the arrow going this way.
But the force from the fan that's blowing outward is blowing outward that way. But the force is actually pushing the car this way. So it's actually the force that's acting on the car, which